Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at how to upload your artwork to Redbubble. If you want to check out my full review of Redbubble, I will link that below. I'll put a little card up there. I go through the whole website and give you my review of it as well. So once you're on Redbubble, make sure you are logged in. Once you're logged in, you're going to be taken to this page. This is your dashboard. To upload a new artwork, go up to your profile image there, your account button, click on it, and then click on Add New Work. Simply go to Upload New Work, and then you can click on the image you are looking to upload and select that one there. While it's uploading, you can add a title. You can add tags, and tags are going to be things that maybe search words that people are putting in to help them find work. So maybe I'm going to put in animal, wildlife, bighorn sheep. Sometimes people confuse them for mountain goats or mountain sheep. And make sure each of them are split up by a comma. And then you can give a little description. I'm just going to give a short one here. Then if you want to add different languages, you can select the different languages there and add them there. Once you've got that done, then you can scroll down to your product previews. So each of the ones that have the green and are not kind of faded out, those are the ones that are by default enabled because of the size of your picture that you've uploaded. And not just the size, but also like the dimensions as well. So this one's a long rectangular one, and so it fits best for some. But if you'd like to enable any other ones, such as a standard print clothing, just click on it and you'll see that they'll come in here. And if you want to edit any of the positions, the size, anything like that, you can click on the edit button and you're going to be brought up to this. So you can scale your image, you can set the background color, you can center it, you can replace the image. If you need to, you can choose a pattern so it's actually filling up the whole thing. And then if you want to change the markup on any of them, click on the little gear button and you can change your markup by using a %, which is nice. So you can change how much you're making on each of these just by changing that markup. But you can go through and do that for any of your any of the products here. For this duvet, comforter, shower curtain, you can make an offset grid. Maybe I'll put that in the middle there and apply those changes, and there you go, it's filling the whole thing now. So you can go through, take some time, add those into any of your any of the products that you want to enable. There's also some advanced products down here as well that you can do that for. I'll enable those. The fat mask's already enabled. Then you can select what type of media it is. So this one is a painting. I don't have any collections right now, but you can select collections if you have any. You can choose default product in your shop. I just choose optimize, so they choose the best one. And that just means which one is going to show up on your page for this artwork that you're uploading. Who can view this work? Anybody or only you? Is it mature? And you have to check that you have the rights for that. Then you can hit save and it'll process it. And here it gives you a chance to kind of preview some of the products. You can edit it again if you miss something, and then you can view it in your shop. If you want to edit any products later, just click on your account, go to manage portfolio, and you can see I just did a double there. So if I want to delete one, then you can go through here and select delete, and you're good to go. So thank you for joining me here today. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and we'll see you next time. I'm Brian Sloan, Artist.